Fauci's secret diaries exposed. He took credit for COVID lockdowns. Explosive new revelations from Dr. Anthony Fauci's private diaries are shaking up the narrative around the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite repeatedly denying any personal role in recommending widespread lockdowns, Fauci's own handwritten notes tell a very different story. In a March 15, 2020 entry marked BIGDAY in red letters, Fauci documented a crucial call with then New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio. He wrote, "I spoke with Bill de Blasio and convinced him to close the NYC schools." He even noted de Blasio had already decided based on what I was saying on TV. That same day, Fauci had a similar conversation influencing California's decisions. He noted that Governor Gavin, Newsom's chief of staff, told him Newsom decided to close the schools in California, as well as the bars and restaurants based on Fauci's TV appearances. Fauci's influence didn't stop at schools. He explicitly told de Blasio he should close the bars and restaurants in NYC, adding that the mayor would base this on my recommendation. Just 5 days later, as de Blasio considered a citywide shelter in place, Fauci's diary reveals he advised de Blasio to go ahead and do it. Beyond cities, Fauci also pushed for extending national measures. In a March 29, 2020 entry, he detailed a tense meeting with President Donald Trump. Fauci proudly noted, "We convinced him to go with 30-day instead of ending the mitigation prematurely, which I feel would be a disaster." Months later, in November 2020, Fauci supported a Los Angeles County health official who sought a 3-week shutdown to stop the surge, writing, "I agreed to support him despite significant pushback." Now, compare these private admissions with his repeated public statements. In an October 2022 interview, Fauci emphatically denied involvement, stating, "We said we should try as best as we possibly can to keep the children in school. I had nothing to do with it." He repeated this denial to The Hill in 2022, claiming he didn't recommend locking anything down, and as recently as January 2024, testifying before the House Oversight Committee, Fauci insisted, "I did not close the schools." Yet, ironically, in the midst of the 2020 chaos, Fauci did admit his role on CBS News. On October 7, 2020, he stated, "I recommended to the president that we shut the country down." This stark contrast between his private thoughts, public denials, and even an earlier public admission paints a complex picture of his actions during the pandemic.